them, liked them, bought them. Some recommended to us.
Last one, and they don't introduce it to soft life in people's house.
I brought myself. Hi guys, how y'all doing? So today it's basically almost Sunday. Today is Saturday, however, it's like 11:50 something p.m. ish. And let me put this down. I need to give you guys a quick recap. I think the last time I spoke to you all officially was maybe Friday morning or Thursday after I left the perfume store. So yes, I spoke to you on Friday, I can remember now. But I didn't show you guys the perfume that we got from the perfume. So I got a couple of things recently and I want to unbox them with you. But first, a quick recap. Yes, you saw me earlier today. I had a photo shoot, an Afrocentric photo shoot for a clothing brand called Midas Chic. I hope I pronounced it well. If I did not, I'm so sorry, I murdered the name. But it's Midas Chic and it's like an African ready-to-wear brand, but very luxurious, very princessy, giving this African theme vibe, which I absolutely love. So yes, I went for that photo shoot. It's been so long I did a photo shoot, by the way, so this was like a refresher. It was nice. It was just nice. And you all know that my sister is also trying to renovate some things, so it's been an hectic weekend in this household. By the way, I don't know if you remember in one of my vlogs, I don't know why I came to put my nails in you guys' faces, but in one of my vlogs I bought these nails from Shein. So I finally used them today because of the photo shoot, so I fixed them. It's just press-ons. I didn't have glue, but somebody was kind enough to give me glue. See, all things work together for those who love God. Anyways, I looked so good today. I can't wait for the pictures to come out for you all to see them. It will be on Instagram, by the way. So yes, that's the recap. That was what I did earlier today. And when I got back, I also made zobo late into the night. Yesterday I slept like 2 a.m. ish. So it's been like back-to-back work. Let me check if this thing's recording properly. I don't want to repeat these things I'm saying. So anyways, back to the story. Yeah, this is the perfume. I got some things I just want to unbox and show you guys. So at the perfume store, if you're ever in Dallas and you want to get like luxury perfume at affordable prices, I would definitely recommend that you go to Ayoola. That's the name of the place, and I would look for the exact name of the perfume brand. Anyways, this is Latafa. Latafa is like one of those brands that everybody and their mommy and their daddy keeps raving about. Latafa, and this one is a concentrated perfume oil. This one was recommended to us by like one of the staffs in the perfume place. He knows my sister, and my sister is his friend and customer. I'm just getting on the perfume wave, so I'm just going to be buying them small. I build up a collection. So my sister recommended that you use this one as like a base for your perfume, and you use this one on it. It's a new Latafa brand. It is chocolate. Let me drop this. Oops. Okay. The bottle is so beautiful. It's so beautiful. It comes with like I don't know what this is. More like or maybe just like a note or something. And of the different collections that Latafa has. So this is what it looks like. Really just dig this. It's so nice, and it smells like chocolate. It smells good. It literally smells like chocolate. That's what it looks like. As in, from just the bottle, the body is already smelling like chocolate. It smells like chocolate. It is very nice, and I think it also lasts longer because I used it on Friday or so. But anyways, this is that, about that. And the perfume, the oil that was recommended to us. First of all this packaging, they are just so cute. Like they look like boxes I will want to keep for a while. Just look at how gorgeous this looks. Anyways, okay, so this is it. It's like it's perfume oil basically. It's perfume oil. You layer it, you put this first, and you spray that on it. Like he said, it would help that one, the Lataka one, it would help it to even last longer, like last all day long and even more, right? So that's that about that. And I got my order from Amazon this night. I started using rose water. And it's been very good. Oh my god! Oh, this one is peeling. Shit. No wonder. I've been perceiving rose water since I opened this box. I just didn't know that. Oh. Anyways, this is the rose water I use for my face. I think it's good. I got 2 bottles because I don't want to run out on time. So that is done. Oh, there's this one. I got this Spade. It's also a perfume, Game of Spade Royale. This is a gift, by the way. This is a gift. So I'm not going to be opening up this one. I smelled like I perceived the tester, and it was really nice. They also have the white card, the black one. If you're a guy, I think you go for the black one. This is also really nice, but just saying. So the last thing I will be unboxing this evening, I'm becoming a sneakerhead, which to be honest, it's just been a long time coming. I've always loved comfortable shoes, but because I wear a size 12, it's very difficult for me to get shoes my size. So I don't have a lot of shoes as opposed to people would think. I don't have a lot of shoes. I don't have the luxury of just walking into a store and getting my size. It doesn't work that way. But anyways, it is winter period, and to be honest, it's getting really cold. Classes are getting really cold, so I've decided to buy more sneakers because I only have 3 pairs. I only have a white and blue. Oh, actually I just have 2 pairs, right? 2 good pairs. I only have 2. So I decided to buy more just because it's the period I need it. They're comfortable and they fit into like all aesthetics, to be honest. I've got these black ones. Let me come closer. I got these ones. I love them. Tested them, liked them, bought them. It's an Air Max, and it's just really cute. I just feel like it's gonna go well. It's black because I needed a black. I don't have a black, and most of the white and the blue I have, they can be selected. So hence this one. What else? Oh, I got 2 blacks. I honestly can't remember because I got this like a week or 2 ago. Oh, I got 2 black shoes. Why? Okay. Anyways, I guess they were so comfortable and I just had to buy them. So this is also another, this is like pure black. So this one will definitely not be selecting any outfit. Okay, so I get the rationale. This one is like white and black. This one is pure black. So I guess that's why I bought it. To be honest, I just dumped them in my room. I haven't taken them out since I got them. And these are my current favorite shoes. I can't lie, guys. Like I know I told you that I had white, but have you just look at this beauty? It's so funny. I love it. This is like my favorite buy from the Nike store. This is my favorite buy. But anyways, that's it guys. So what's happening tomorrow? I'm going to church, so I need to go shower. I need to wash the bathroom. I made sobo yesterday night. I need to clean up, and this is already like 12 a.m. ish. So I'm not going to be sleeping until 2, and I'm going to wash up my makeup. I'm not doing makeup to church tomorrow. I'm just going to go to church, and yeah, pretty much I'll see you guys during the week. I have presentation next week, I believe, and so much other things. And if this is the end of the vlog, I love you. I'll see you in my next video soon. Love you guys. Bye.
Happy Sunday! on our way to church. And the reason why I'm smiling from here to there is just, it's only me that can understand. See how my skin is skinning? It's glowing. It's not just on the skincare that can make you glow. No. But anyway, Sunday morning, we're heading to church, and yeah, I'm excited. It's Vlogmas season. Today is 23rd of November, and I'm almost done with my assignments. I finished my start assignment yesterday. Hallelujah. But I need to start studying for stats for the exam proper. However, I am going to do like one or other of my exams. If I'm able to do it today, that means we're wrapping up the exam thing, and I only need to study for stats now. I'm going! That one is good, fam. God is good. But yeah, I just wanted to check in and say hello. Say hello to my Oga at the top. My very own Oga. Oh, Jesus. See, if you're last born and they don't introduce you to stop sliding in people's household. Help me. Well, anyways, see you guys later. Bye, guys. See the glow. All the what's it called? So the remaining one. Hi, guys. Oh my God. People, it is Wednesday and another presentation day. I'm off to school. I'm looking so good. Anyways, I'm off to school now. I'll see you guys when I get back. I'm wrapping up on a lot of my assignments. I'm feeling good about it, and I feel like I'll be fully back on YouTube. First off, these nails are still there. I literally popped out this one by myself because it was hurting me, but they're still looking so good. Anyways, it's time to go. The sun on my skin is beautiful, very beautiful. But yeah, let's go to school. I'll see you guys when I get back. Bye, guys.
Lost in your constellation, I'm in need of navigation.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Everywhere I go. Hi guys, so officially I did my last presentation of the semester, and I am rewarding myself with dinner. I'm rewarding myself with dinner because I deserve it. I absolutely deserve it. All the sleepless nights, finally we're wrapping it up. The semester is finally coming to an end, so I absolutely, it's like there's a fellowship here that I'd love to be a part of it, but I have to go. I don't even know where the location of the fellowship is. Oh, sounds close. But anyways, it's like a concert though. Nice. But not this night. So I'm going to go sit down, try to complete some of my assignments, because I want to finish everything before Thanksgiving. So try to complete some of my assignments, and yeah, I think that's a wrap up for the day. Thank you for spending the day with me, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.